Alright, welcome to Caldwell Fitness. This is the Road to 200, the sequel, episode 4. And right now I'm headed to my gym. Yesterday I came, it was closed, so I had to do a home workout. So we'll see. Hopefully it's open today, but if it ain't, if it's not open, I'm gonna just go to another gym then. One that's kind of a little bit further out, but the location is a lot nicer. Got a lot more equipment, a lot more up-to-date equipment. So we're about to go and see if this gym is open. Yeah, so the gym is closed, but I'm gonna just sip on this peach Celsius and I head to the other location. So yeah, I'll see y'all. Alright, yeah, so I just put up to the gym and I weighed in at 235.3. So that's not quite the 2-pound mark, but it was almost there though. So I just decided to go up 5 minutes on the cardio for a few weeks to see if that'll work. And then I'm still dialing in the whole nutrition thing. Like, I'm just eating calories right now. Now, mind you, I am getting in quality like protein, carbs, and all that. I'm throwing in Greek yogurt, trying to get in more fruits and vegetables, and eat cleaner. Cause it's like it takes 21 days to like build a habit, right? And we almost at that. We pretty much there, like, So I just been really focusing on that, like just making sure that I'm prepared and I got food made. I got food I can prep. Trying to just switch a few recipes up, not too much though. Like this weekend I made burgers, right? But I got the 90-10. I got the 90-10 patties, and I got some brioche buns. And I don't really like using a whole slice of cheese like when I make my homemade burgers anyway. Like, I'll use like a half a slice and I air fry some french fries, and it's just like I ate that and I felt good, right? And now if I would have went out and bought a burger, it would have cost me double or triple that, and I would have been feeling bad. Like, so far I'm down 5 pounds, and I'm just noticing like sleep is better, my digestion is better, because I'm not eating a whole lot of food. I'm just eating what I need at the time I need. It's just about listening to your body. Like, I'm in my 30s now, and it's like you kind of figure out what you need and what you don't need and what works for you and what doesn't work, and then you just kind of stick to the plan, man. Like, stick to the plan until you need to change things. Like, that's one of the biggest takeaways I'm getting from this. So yeah, I'm about to go in here and do some chest. I did back yesterday, and some cardio, some core. If I have time, I'll do core, because I did core yesterday. I like doing core like every other day. It's like Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays I do core, so I probably won't do core today just for the sake of time and all that. And yeah, but let's go in here and get this workout. Eating this Quest bar right now, cookies and cream. Had a pretty good workout. I got some clips as well, so yeah, I'm finna go try to get some of this Mediterranean food. And if I can't, I'll just show y'all what I eat. So this is what I'm having for lunch: my chicken fried rice. So I got some bibigo rice. I've made these before. It's bibigo rice, 1 pouch of chicken breast, 1 egg, 2 egg whites, and some sriracha, some seasonings on it, some onions in there as well. So yeah, that's my chicken fried rice. Oh, some of these blue chips. I forgot to show y'all this meal, but I took a bite of one. So right here we got 4 tacos with some air fried blackened chicken strips from Tyson. You just put them in the air fryer for like basically until they get crispy, right? And I chopped them up, and I got 8 of the yellow street corn tortillas from Mission. Warm those up, put some cheese in between them. Got some spinach on top, some hot sauce and some green sauce. I had me an ice drink, and then I air fried 2 servings of French fries. So yeah, this is my second to last meal right here. All right, so for my last meal, I got me a serving and a half of Greek yogurt, Oikos Greek yogurt. The one I got like 20 some grams of protein in it. I got that one, and then I have a half a serving of honey, and also half a serving of date syrup, and then I got a whole serving of mixed berries up in there, combination of blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. So yeah, this is gonna be my dessert, and that's gonna be it for today. Episode 4, the road to 200, the sequel. We still moving forward, you know, still staying consistent. So yeah, you guys stay tuned, you know, to keep up with the progress, and God bless.